In this video, we will clip our county's shapefile to match the extent of our CDL 2014 raster layer. Notice our county shapefile covers the entire country, but we only need the counties for the Mississippi River Delta area. Unfortunately, the clip tool doesn't let us use rasters as inputs, nor does the select by location tool. So we need to add an intermediate step. Let's convert the extent of our raster into a polygon to then use as our clipping feature. Search for the raster domain tool in the geoprocessing search bar. Set the input raster as our CDL layer and name the output CDL extent. Select the output type as polygon, then hit Run. We should now have a new polygon layer that matches the extent of our raster layer. Now let's go ahead and use the clipping tool to clip our counties to our new polygon layer. Search for the clip tool and set the input feature to our counties layer and set the clip feature as our CDL extent. Then set the output feature class to Delta Counties with no spaces and no underscores. Be careful here because Arc has been known to crash when using underscores in the name of an output clip feature. Click Run and we should have a new county shapefile for our counties within the Mississippi Delta. Go ahead and hide all other layers to make sure that this worked. We can go ahead and remove the CDL extent because we were only using it as a clipping feature. Now let's go ahead and colorize our new shapefile. Go ahead and right-click on the layer and select Symbology. Let's change the primary symbology to unique values and set the field to the state name attribute. Essentially what this does is assigns a unique color to each county based on their state name. Notice that there are 8 values in the classes table in the symbology pane. However, we only see 3 main states appear. You can go to the Appearance tab and set the transparency to around 50%. Then turn on the World Topographic Map base layer underneath. So that way you can see what states are being represented here. Take a look at the classes table in the symbology pane and note the color that matches the states on our map. There should be 3 primary states that make up our delta: Arkansas, Mississippi, and Louisiana. Go ahead and save, and in the next video we will create a chart to visualize the amount of each crop type in our delta region.